Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset network usage statistics on WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Initially, let's open up WhatsApp right here. Do note that I have already updated WhatsApp to the latest version. If you have not, do update it right now and log into your account. Now let's simply try to reset the network usage statistics. Right here at the very top next to the search button, here's an icon like this, a button with some 3 dots. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Well, as you can see, you can create new groups from here and such, but let's simply go to settings right now. Once you're in the settings page, you'll get lots of options like this, but worry not. Let's simply skip right to storage and data. Once you're in the storage and data section, right here you can see something like network usage. Simply click on it right now. And this is the network usage that I had done. Now I'm simply gonna try to reset it. At the very end, you'll see something like reset statistics. Simply click on it and give your confirmation. And there you go. That's how you reset network usage statistics on WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.